Hi friends, it's Miss Jenifer at Somerset Academy of Music, and I'm excited because we're back yet again for our technical exercise series. We are Book 1, Group 2. This is going to be Exercise 7. Before we get started, I'd just like to thank you for watching the video. If you find it at all helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. And you're always welcome to share my video out with your friends and family. All right, so this week, we're going to be playing the right hand in C position, and the left hand is going to be jumping around quite a bit from middle C all the way down here to low C on your piano. Okay, so let's get started. Let's do the right hand first because it is a little bit easier. We're going to be playing whole notes, and it's going to stay, as I said, right here in this position. We're going to start off with playing half of a C chord. So what we're going to do is a C chord is normally C, E, G. But what we're going to do is we're going to not play the middle C because the left hand's actually going to be playing that note. And we're just playing the E and the G from the C chord like this for 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to play the G7 chord, which hopefully you're really good at playing by now, which is the notes B, F, and G. We're going to hold that for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to go back to our E and G for 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. That's all the right hand does. The left hand, however, is going to be doing some octaves. So hopefully your hand is able to stretch. I would recommend keeping your hand in the octave position if possible. If your hand is too small or just not flexible enough, you can go ahead and kind of move it back and forth. But hopefully through doing these exercises, your hand is getting more flexible. And even if your hand is small, hopefully you're able to reach a whole octave. Let me know down in the comments down below how far you can reach. All right, so we're going to start with the left hand. It's going to start by playing middle C staccato, where these are quarter notes. And we're going to go back and forth on the octave on C like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to come all the way down to G. So we're going to move down quite a bit. And we're going to be doing octaves starting on G like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to come back up to middle C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to take this pinky and jump it down a whole octave down to low C. Okay, so I'll go through that again like this on the C's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Move to G. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to C. 1, 2, 3. Get ready to jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, nothing left but to put them together. Okay, remember the right hand's just going to stay right here in C position. I'll do it slowly the first time and then I'll speed it up to tempo. It looks like this. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Move down. Change your chord in your right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Going back to C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump the left hand down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here it is at tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So practice that all week, along with the other 6 exercises you've already learned. Practice that exercise all week until you can get it up to that tempo, if not faster. Let me know how fast you get it down in the comments. And I will be back next week where we're going to be taking a look at exercise number 8. So thank you so much for watching this video, especially if you watched all the way to the end. I appreciate it so much. If it helped you at all, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. And I will look forward to seeing you next week. Thank you so much and have a blessed day.